Asbestos mesothelioma lawsuit. Mesothelioma is a malignant tumor of the mesothelium caused by exposure to asbestos fibers. There is some important information one should be aware of if he is considering pursuing an asbestos mesothelioma lawsuit. Prior to pursuing a lawsuit, he should seek advice from a reputable mesothelioma lawyer for a better understanding of mesothelioma law. A mesothelioma lawsuit can also provide one with adequate compensation that will help cover his legal, medical, and ongoing expenses related to the mesothelioma cancer. Previously, due to exposure to an asbestos-related substance, there have been cases in which the mesothelioma cancer sufferers have received thousands of dollars in compensation for their diagnosis of mesothelioma. Recently, mesothelioma lawsuits help the person who has developed with mesothelioma by providing various benefits. Lawsuits have included people who have been exposed to asbestos-related substances through their work environment, and companies are required to compensate their present or previous employees for non-disclosure of the risks involved with handling asbestos and related substances. Mesothelioma law works on the premise that this exposure to an asbestos or related substance without prior knowledge has led to the injury, and sometimes death of the asbestos mesothelioma sufferer. Beginning your lawsuit early will ensure that you acquire adequate compensation in time to help with your medical expenses and ongoing support and treatment. In order to begin the lawsuit, you will need to find an experienced mesothelioma attorney or lawyer, and they can usually be found at reputable law firms. It is important that you disclose all information surrounding your asbestos mesothelioma cancer, including your diagnosis and prognosis, to your mesothelioma attorney or lawyer, as this will help him to form a solid lawsuit for your case. You should also try to provide your attorney or lawyer with details pertaining to the period in which your exposure occurred, who you were working for at the time, and any details regarding whether you had prior knowledge of your exposure. All this information is considered to be important and will ensure that your mesothelioma attorney or lawyer will be successful in your mesothelioma lawsuit. One is always recommended to seek legal assistance as soon as the person has diagnosed with mesothelioma. http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com. Francisco Rodriguez. About the author: do you need a mesothelioma lawyer?